Welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered how much time you spend on Instagram? In this video, I'll show you how to check your Instagram usage and manage your screen time effectively. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. In the top right corner, tap the three-line menu icon. From the menu, choose Your Activity. Here, you'll find the Time Spent section, which shows your daily average usage. You can also set a daily time limit or reminders to take breaks. Tracking your time on Instagram can help you stay mindful of your usage and manage your screen time more effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.